Today we're going to learn how to make a quick and easy stovetop unleavened communion bread. No more of this stale, crunchy, old matzah. No. Instead, we're going to have a nice, flaky, delicious communion bread, or for Easter, for Passover, for communion, whatever it is. Come on. All right, first we're going to start out with half a cup of flour. Of course, we're going to be using unleavened flour, so this is just all-purpose flour. All right, we're going to go ahead and do that, and then we're also going to add to that 1/4 tablespoon to teaspoon. I didn't record the actual adding of it. We're also going to add 1/4 cup of water. Quarter cup of water, and go ahead and add that to the bowl, and let's mix that away. All right, so we're going to mix this up until it's into a nice little ball. And you'll know it all just starts coming together, and it becomes a little bit sticky, but it's all going to nicely form well together. And as soon as you get that nice little ball, we're going to add a little bit of flour, and then we're going to start to roll this out. Go ahead and just cover each side with a little bit of that flour. Get yourself a nice little rolling pin, and I'm just kind of working the dough just a little bit more. All right, so work that for a few minutes, and then we're going to go ahead and cut those into 4 pieces. After we cut that into 4 pieces, go ahead, roll that thing out, roll one of the pieces out. So this will make a nice 4 individual unleavened breads. All right, I'm going to use some ghee cooking spray, and I'm going to put that into my pan. And that's the only thing I'm going to put in there. Just go ahead and put a little spray of ghee. You can also use some olive oil spray. I'm cooking this on medium-high heat, and just checking the sides to see. Once it starts kind of like bubbling a little bit, you can go ahead. Once again, this is unleavened, but it's still going to cause some air bubbles as it's cooking. You want to cook each side until you start seeing those little pockets. And here, look, nice, flaky, unleavened bread. Of course, this is going to be used for our communion, but you can also use this. I mean, you can spread peanut butter on it. You can do whatever you want. Make them into wraps and all those type of things. But this is just a better play on if you don't have any communion, especially right now. Yes, wonderful taste to it, and just a lot better than that stale, crunchy matzah crackers. And so just here's just a quick idea. And also one more thing, this is very easy to store. So the other 3 that we did not use, we can use it for the next few weeks. I'm going to go ahead and just put them in a little baggie, and you can put them in the refrigerator if you know that you're going to be using it soon, or if not, go ahead and pop those babies in the freezer and just unthaw them. All right, I hope this was helpful to you, and that it will be a blessing to you and your family. God bless, take care, be safe, and see you next time right here. Please like, comment, and subscribe. God bless.